Hello, hello. Welcome to Summer Flow. Remember, if you can say it, you can play it. Be my copycat, please. Copycat means I go first and then you go after me. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. All right, now we're going to do that same thing again, but this time you're going to notice the words on the screen are going to be flipped. Now, instead of summer's coming soon in yellow at the top in the sky, they're going to be blue at the bottom. The summer's coming soon, and I can't wait. It's going to be yellow at the top, right? There's a reason for that when we get to our buckets. So let's do it again. I go first. Be my copycat. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. All right, now I'm going to put all the words on the screen at one time. Let's see if you can say it with me. Let's say it together. Just that much. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Nicely done. Be my copycat again, please. Hot day. Go swim. Nice. All right. Let's put that part together, just that much. So I go first. We're going to go hot day. Go swim. Your turn. Nice. All right. Next part. I go first. 1, 2, 3, 4. I go first again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now, let's put it together. We're going to start from hot day, go swim. I go first. Or how about this? Do it with me this time. Okay? I'm going to put it on the screen. So, 1, 2, ready, and hot day, go swim. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. All right. Notice same things with the words. Previous, how some of them are in the sky and they're yellow. Some of them are down below in the sand on the screen and they're blue. Okay. So our blue is going to be more of our low pitch sound on our buckets, the middle part of our buckets. And our yellow up top is going to be more of our high-pitched sounds on our bucket, and they're going to be on the edge or the rim of the bucket. Okay? Next part. I go first. Going to the beach real soon. Okay? I'm going to try. We're going to do that again, actually. I keep saying I. It was multiple of us. I just can't hear you myself right now. We're going to do that again, but we're actually going to do that part, the going to the beach real soon. Going to the beach. Everybody loves going to the beach, especially during the summer. So we're going to do that part 4 times. So let me put it on the screen and let's say it together. You ready? Okay. 1, 2, ready, and going to the beach real soon. 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 Nice. Then guess what? Right after you finish saying going to the beach real soon, all we're going to do is go back to the part right before it. Our 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go back to that part, but see, it's going to be flipped this time. So instead of starting off hot, day, go, swim, we're going to start with our 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's say that part together. So I'm going to put it on the screen. So let's do our 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, hot day, go swim part. Okay, let's do it with the correct rhythm this time. Let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot day, go swim. Nice. Next part, guess what? It's the same as the first part. Haha. So if you already had the first part and you know how to say it, and maybe by now, because we're speaking it, if you can say it, you can play it, remember? So maybe by now, because we've been speaking it so much, maybe some of you are even tapping it on your laps or clapping it by now. If you haven't been, that's okay. That part is coming up next. But if you would like to, we're going to do this part again. This is the end of the song. So the beginning of the song, that's exactly how we're going to end the song. So let's do the ending together. I'm going to put it on the screen. And feel free to pat on your laps or, pat on your laps or clap it, whatever your teacher is asking you to do. Let's do it together. Here we go. Straight through the whole thing. 1, 2, ready, and summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming. Can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Nice. All right. Now, we're going to do it all together now. I'm going to put the video on the board, and you're going to hear the kind of the same. It'll be a different pitch, but you will hear the rhythm being played on the screen, and I'm going to say it and I'm going to do it with you. So it's not going to sound exactly like your buckets as far as the pitch goes, like the exact sound, the timbre, but you will be able to hear the rhythm. All right. So say it and play it. We're going to take it slow, one part at a time. Let's first go ahead, grab our sticks, whether you have your drumsticks or your rhythm sticks, even if you have pencils, that's fine too. Let's grab our bucket. I like to use with my students a 5-gallon bucket. If you have your bucket, let's do it. Even if you don't have your bucket, if you're doing it on the floor, if you're doing it on a book, if you're doing on a djembe, whatever drum or percussive instrument your teacher has you playing. Let's use that. And let's do it from the top. Here we go. All right. Now let's try it a little bit faster, okay? So now instead of summer's coming soon, I can't wait. I can't wait. We can go just a little faster. We're gonna go. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. Summer's coming soon. I can't wait. I can't wait. All right? See if you can do it with the video. Try your best. If you can't do something slow, you cannot do it fast. So if you can't get it while it's slow, I do not recommend you try it while it's fast, even though fast is fun. It's fun for us to go fast, but let's try it slow. Let's try to nail it while it's slow so we have more time to think about what's coming next, what our rhythm is, what part of the bucket or floor, whatever you're playing, but it's intended for the bucket, what part of the bucket we're going to play next. When it's slow, we have more time to think versus when it's fast, you just got to boom, 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 boom. You have to go. So if you cannot do it slow, don't try it fast just yet, or maybe you want to try it just for fun. All right? But if you need to, go back, start this video from the top, say it, make sure you say it. If you can say it, then you can play it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it with other music enthusiasts, other musicians. If you would like to, feel free to leave a comment below about any suggestions about what you think could be better. Thank you so much for watching.